Let's take a look at what's inside my Fab Fit Fun box. The summer boxes are probably the most fun, so let's check it out. Always they give you a little magazine with like all the vibes. So summer is here, super fun. Let's see, it looks like we got some kind of hair thing, maybe some mascara, some makeup. Oh my gosh, if I got this, I would die. I love Lily Pulitzer. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't wait. I gotta get into it. Okay, so first things first, I got this body scrubber. So let's see if I can do this all with one hand. Interesting. Very interesting. Why are there holes? Like, do you put your fingers there? Interesting. Okay, it says one body scrubber. So I guess you do. Maybe you put your fingers in there. Very interesting. It's made out of silicone and it just has like little nubs. Okay. All right. So we always get these coupons for Daily Harvest, and then this one is for some wine. Okay. So the next thing here is this beautiful necklace. It says it's from Sanctuary Project. It's like a pink stone here, employing and empowering survivors. Very cool. This is a non-profit that they make jewelry. I'll put that on in a bit. Then we got this activities puzzle. Let's see. It says just be happy activities. Wow. Okay. Lots of different stuff there. That actually does look like fun. So I'm going to try that later. And this one says make today better. More activities and puzzles. Okay. We get some stickers, which are fun. Ooh, bobble bar. Let's see. Okay, so I have no idea what this is. So it looks like it is a necklace. I have no idea what that could be, and it comes with a chain. So I don't know. That's interesting. Okay, what's this here? Samara. Oh, it looks like a purse. This is the bag here. It looks very simple, and I think it's vegan and cruelty free, or vegan at least. It's kind of like a plasticky material, and the inside is sort of lined with felt. So there's that bag. Okay, the next thing we have here is a shampoo from Frederick Fekkai, right? So this one is here. It's a moisturizing, dry and hydration shampoo. It is clean, vegan, and sustainable. So I do like that. I will try it. Cool. Okay, then I got this Poolside Bag. I think these are the ones that you could put your swimsuit in. So yes, it has a wet and dry pouch. So on the inside, it has like this pouch that is clear that you would put your wet clothes in. And then it has like, it's pretty big actually. I might take this with me too when I go to the Bahamas. The last thing I opened, it is this like neoprene bag that is pink and red, which I do appreciate. And it's from Somersault. So it's like just a tote. And yeah, you put all your summer goodies in there. So it's pretty big, which I do appreciate the size of it. In case you want to get your own Fab Fit Fun box, use this code. You get $15 off. And yeah. So yeah, overall I liked everything except, or I guess I just don't know what exactly to do with this bobble bar necklace. What is this? I still don't know. Is it like a necklace extender? I have no idea. It was just, these are the pieces that came with it, which are two of these, like, And then this piece here, which I have no idea what it does. But I did like everything else. I will put that on actually today. I do feel like you need that for summer. I do want to try that out. This bag is cute. I love this one here. And yeah, that's everything.